Welcome to my channel Terrarium Master. Are you looking for a way to bring some greenery into your space? Look no further. Today, I'm going to show you how to craft a stunning terrarium right in your own home. Terrariums are like mini ecosystems that require minimal care and add a touch of nature to any room. Let's get started. First, choose a glass container that will serve as the home for your indoor oasis. It could be a fishbowl, a mason jar, or even a simple glass vase. Next, add a layer of small rocks or pebbles to the bottom of the container. This will help with drainage and prevent the roots from sitting in water. Next, it's time to add your soil. Use a mixture of potting soil and sand or perlite to create a well-draining environment for your plants. Fill the container about halfway, creating a small mound in the center. Now set up a driftwood, if have you. Now comes the fun part, adding your plants. Choose a variety of plants with different shapes, textures, and sizes. Start by planting the taller plants in the back, and then arrange the smaller ones around them. Be gentle when handling the roots and tuck them securely into the soil. Add moss. Finally, it's time to add some finishing touches. Decorate your terrarium with small figurines, decorative rocks, or even tiny fairy lights for a magical touch. Spritz some water into the terrarium, just enough to moisten the soil without soaking it. I hope this video is perfect for beginners and plant enthusiasts alike. Elevate your home decor with this green thumb DIY project. Simple, sustainable, and a touch of natural elegance awaits you. For your enjoyment, this is my first terrarium making video. Hopefully, it will find you next to me. Keep watching and get started too. Place your terrarium in a well-lit area, but away from direct sunlight. These little plant havens thrive in indirect light. Remember to check the moisture level regularly and water when needed. After few days,